Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a project share. Now this is a collab with Doll Fairy Crafter, and I'm going to have her channel linked below so you can go check out her video. And we created mermaid inspired doll outfits. I am super excited to share my creation with you guys, but before I do, here are a few clips of some things that I put together for the doll, like this little belt where I made little charms, and some printables to make that shell purse. And here's the doll. I know her outfit looks really simple, but I had a lot of fun with it. I still think she has those mermaid vibes. And my favorite part is her belt. I also really like how the purse came out using UV resin and a printable. And I added little pearls for the handle. The outfit is all blue to match her hair. And I love the purse too because I made it also blue. I think she's really cute, great for Mermay, and I can't wait to see what my friend created. I'm sure she created something super cute. I wish I had more time on my hands to sew. I really wanted to create a dress for my Blythe, but time got away from me and I decided to go with Barbie because she's much smaller and easier to sew for. So here is my outfit. I really hope you enjoyed today's project share, and I will see you guys very soon with another video.